In some Eastern cultures, people apply a natural mixture to their knees every evening to relieve joint pain, and this simple remedy has been used for generations. To prepare it, start by chopping a whole head of garlic with the skin on, then slice an onion into rings. Finally, peel and thinly slice some fresh ginger. Place all the ingredients into a glass jar with a tight lid. Put the jar in a pot and wrap it with a towel for insulation. Next, pour olive oil over the mixture in the jar. Turn the stove to the lowest heat and let it warm gently for about 30 minutes. After that, carefully remove the jar and strain the contents through a fine sieve, keeping only the oil. Apply this infused oil directly to sore knees or joints, gently massaging it into the skin. With regular use, many notice a significant reduction in pain within just a few days. This natural remedy offers a powerful alternative for those seeking relief without medications. Stay healthy and share this tip so others can benefit too.